Hey there, my name is Chad Reiser with the Reiser Movie Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best soft serve ice cream with this Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker. And I'm going to show you a really simple recipe, and we're just going to be using 4 ingredients: silk almond milk, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and gentle sweet, which is a natural sweetener, and it's actually healthy for you. So let's get started. 1 cup of almond milk, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now for the gentle sweet, and that's only going to be about a half cup. And last but not least, the vanilla. That's going to be 2 teaspoons. There we go. I'm also going to be using this little handy Cuisinart blender thing, so you can it's made for blending up smoothies and just little cups of stuff. So I'm going to try that out, see how it works. While I got that blended, I'm going to put in my frozen bowl. And I'm just going to lift that lid there and set this thing in like that. And it just snaps right in there. And now you're ready to make ice cream. It's time to turn it on. There's just a little side switch over here. You just turn it on. It's time to pour it in. You just pour it in like that. There we go. This is where you keep the toppings at. There's 3 little containers where you can keep 3 different kinds of toppings. I have sprinkles, crushed Oreo, and nuts, but you can keep whatever you want in there. And there's also a little chute that it just shoots down right into your ice cream. You pull the little lever, and whatever kind or whatever, and it just shoots right down there. It's gotta let the ice cream churn, and it just about 10 to 15 minutes. It's really depending on how thick you like your ice cream. If you like it more thick, leave it in for longer. So yeah, so pretty soon we'll have some ice cream. Well, it looks like it's done now. So now it is time to make your ice cream. Got my cup here, and there's this little lever here. You just push it down, just like at a restaurant. And there we go. Look at that. It's just like a buffet. And you can just leave it on, rotating, so it's all good, just to leave it on. Just gonna stop it right there. I'm gonna add some toppings, so these are the levers here. Kind of put it on like that. Everything off there, so you shut the lever off and you're done. Oh, would you look at that? I made an ice cream. Looks pretty darn good too. Now it's time to try it out. Well, it just goes to show you that you don't need to go out to get a good ice cream. You can make it right at home with the Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker. Very good. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.